Okay, so we're looking at number 3, page 16. A cross between two flies produced two offspring with wall-type eyes, one offspring with apricot and one with honey. So I'm going to start by drawing a Punnett square, and I'm going to put what I know into the Punnett square. I know that two offspring have wild-type eyes, so I'm going to start here with my most dominant. I'm going to write my next dominant here. We have one offspring with apricot, so that's an E2, and one with honey, E3. Draw Punnett square to support your answers. Okay, that's what we're doing. So here, I can see right, this one here has to be an E1 because both of the spaces to the right contain an E1. Down here, I'm going to go here next. It could be E2 or E3, but let's look. Could it be E2? If I put an E2 right here, then this one here can't be E3. It would also be E2, which means this allele has to be E3, or I could put an E4 there, but we'll get to that in a moment. So up here, this space here has to be E2 because I haven't accounted for that one yet. So that's an E2. And then over here, this one, now since we said down here, I'm going to underline that again. We said that's E3. That is already accounted for this E3. So that means this allele here could be E3 or it could be E4. As long as one of your E3s in this question is an E3, the other one could be an E4, which means there's more than one right answer. So what are the genotypes of the parents? The genotypes of these parents, then I have an E2, E3, and an E1, E3. But again, those can change. One of them can be an E4.